And the last one, account, right? So this is actually your account. So yeah, I mean, this is all pretty self-explanatory, I hope. Just basically about your account, when you join, your current plan, that will change, when you actually get a proper plan, your credit card information, who the owner is, you can add staff accounts, so in other words, other people who can manage your account. And of course your invoices, all that kind of stuff is here. And should you ever want to pause your store or close your store, this is where you would do it. So that's it. That's it for settings. So I just want to say, actually, well done for sticking with this, all right? Most people don't look at this stuff until later on down the road. As I said before, when they start asking questions like, oh, where do I do the shipping or whatever, they dive straight into the fun stuff and then get all confused later on down the road. So well done for sticking with this part. And what you have done now is you've laid some very important knowledge, sort of ground blocks, if you like, which we are now going to build on throughout the course.